Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's gonna be just a relaxing day. It's Sunday. So I've shoveled the driveway. Well, I didn't shovel it, I cleared it, and I'm just gonna go and feed the big horses here. As you can see, they're all just sitting there waiting for me. These guys have had their breakfast already. It's just about supper time, and yeah, so I got a couple of things I want to show you. Some carvings today, that my wooden carvings of horses and stuff my dad did, and yeah, just be some little stuff. But anyway, I'm gonna head out and go feed. So this is how I do their tails. This is actually WD-40. Works great. Just spray it in there. Do their mains. Then I just leave it for a bit. Just leave it and let it run. I've got 2 brushes, or combs. I got a big one and a smaller one. I'll start off with the bigger one. Now, you know when you're brushing the tail, you want to start from the bottom, work your way up. I gotta go in on Monday and get some stuff to warm these horses with. I may have put a little too much in the old mane. Go to the right. Go left, dude. Hey guys, so anyway, here we are. This is my gun room. So yeah, if you don't like skinned animals or whatever, you might not like this. They're everywhere. I can't not put them in a shot, but anyway, and I'm not going to worry about it. But anyway, these are some carvings that my dad did. So I'll start off from the first ones he did and kind of go from there. So this is the first one he did. He did that in about 72. Because my teacher at the time, I remember it very well, he was a really, really good drawer. So my dad got me to see if I could get him to draw him some horses, and so he could do that. And then that was probably, I think it was about 70, yeah, it would have been 72, somewhere in there. And this is the second one he did. That's a deer. Hopefully the leg's not too bad. There's a maple syrup. This here one was always my favorite. Just because of the paint horse. Always like paints. And this here one he did after they went up to Barkerville. The stagecoach was up there. Pretty cool. Oh, like all the leather and that, he used to collect old purses and use the purses for the leather and old necklaces, whatever you could find. He kept all that. An old gold miner. And all the spokes and stuff for the wheels, he'd either carve them out or sometimes he'd use wooden matches, kind of round them off. This here one, this was, I think this one was the third one he did here. And then these here ones, like I say, he did these ones later on. These would have been the last ones he did. The eagle. And then he did this here one. This was one of the first. He did one of the first ones he did too. The dog. And that's an old guy I worked with. Zeke Curtis. The Willow Ranch. There's the ranch in there. Worked in that ranch there for a couple of years. That's how I met him. His daughter did that up for him. And when he passed, I got it. But the ranch I worked on there. I packed this here around with me in my saddlebag. Just so I knew where I was down here. It was down around the home ranch. The home ranch is right in here. So, and then my wife got this frame made up for me. Yeah, so like I said, I feed these guys twice a day. Come on, boys. I only have one access or one water here, so right now the horses out here, the white ones, Thunder and Lightning, they've got access to it today, and now I'll swing this gate so then the blacks can come in here and get water and salt and whatever. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, that breeze is cool today. It's not that cold out, that breeze is cool. So anyway, you guys have yourselves a good one.